Hi everyone, welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. This is the channel where we speak slow, clear, everyday American English for beginners and intermediate learners.
Every single day we upload a long conversation, 30 to 60 minutes, so you can listen while you drink coffee, cook, walk, relax, or drive.
Daily listening is one of the best ways to improve your English, so please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss any new episodes.
Thank you for being here with us. Let's start today's coffee chat.
Hey Neo, how have you been lately?
Hey Emma, I've been really good. I've been watching a lot of soccer recently. How about you?
I'm doing great too, and that's perfect because today I really want to talk about soccer or football and the World Cup 2026.
Yes, the World Cup 2026 is coming soon, and it will be very special.
Exactly. It will be hosted by 3 countries, the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
That's right. It's the first time in history that 3 countries host the World Cup together.
Let's start simple. For beginners listening, what is the World Cup?
The World Cup is the biggest soccer tournament in the world. It happens every 4 years.
National teams from many countries play against each other.
Yes, each team represents its country, not a club.
The last World Cup was in 2022 in Qatar.
And Argentina won, with Lionel Messi as the captain.
That final was very exciting.
It was one of the best finals ever.
Now let's talk about what makes the 2026 World Cup different.
The biggest change is the number of teams. In 2026, there will be 48 teams.
Before, there were only 32 teams.
Yes, so now more countries can join.
That means more games, too.
Exactly. There will be 104 matches in total.
Wow, that's a lot of soccer.
Yes, fans will have many games to watch.
Where will the games be played?
Games will be played in 16 cities across the 3 countries.
Let's talk about the cities in the United States first.
In the USA, there are 11 host cities: Atlanta, Boston, Dallas, Houston, Kansas City, Los Angeles, Miami, New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia, San Francisco, and Seattle.
That's many cities across the country.
Yes, from the East Coast to the West Coast.
What about Mexico?
Mexico has 3 cities: Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey.
And Canada?
Canada has 2 cities, Toronto and Vancouver.
Do we know where the final game will be?
Yes, the final will be played on July 19, 2026 at MetLife Stadium in New York, New Jersey.
That's exciting. Many people will want to go there.
Definitely.
What about the opening game?
The opening games will be on June 11, 2026.
Where will they be?
One opening game will be in Mexico City at Azteca Stadium.
Azteca Stadium is very famous.
Yes, it hosted World Cup finals in 1970 and 1986.
So it will be the first stadium to host World Cup matches 3 times.
Exactly. Very special history.
Now, let's talk about teams. Who can play in the World Cup?
Teams from all over the world try to qualify.
They play qualifying matches in their regions.
Yes, Europe, Africa, Asia, South America, North America, and Oceania all have qualifiers.
Are the host countries already qualified?
Yes, the USA, Canada, and Mexico are automatically qualified.
That's good news for fans there.
Definitely.
Do we know which other teams are qualified?
Not yet. Qualifying matches are still happening.
Which teams do you think will do well in 2026?
Brazil is always strong. France, Germany, England, and Argentina, too.
I like Spain and Argentina.
Argentina. Good choices.
Let's let's talk about famous players. Will Messi play in 2026?
He will be 39 years old, but it's possible.
What about Cristiano Ronaldo?
He will be 41. It could be his last chance, but we're not sure.
Many young stars will be there too.
Yes, players like Mbappe, Holland, Bellingham, and Vinicius Jr.
Now, let's explain soccer rules for beginners.
Good idea.
How many players are on a team?
Each team has 11 players on the field.
1 goalkeeper and 10 field players.
Correct.
How long is a soccer game?
90 minutes. 2 halves of 45 minutes.
Sometimes there's extra time.
Yes, especially in knockout games.
The goal is simple. Score more goals than the other team.
You score by kicking the ball into the net.
You can't use your hands.
Only the goalkeeper can use hands, and only inside the penalty area.
Some common soccer words?
Goal, pass, shoot, dribble, tackle, corner kick, free kick, penalty.
The offside rule is difficult.
Yes, a player is offside if he is too close to the goal when the ball is passed to him.
It stops players from waiting near the goal.
Exactly.
What are the main positions?
Goalkeeper, defenders, midfielders, and forwards.
Defenders protect the goal.
Midfielders connect defense and attack.
Forwards try to score goals.
Right.
Let's talk about tickets. Are they expensive?
Prices change, but group stage tickets may start around $100 to $300.
And the final?
Final tickets can cost thousands of dollars.
Where should people buy tickets?
Only on the official FIFA website.
Avoid fake websites.
Yes, be careful.
What about travel tips?
Book flights and hotels early.
Many fans will travel between cities.
The USA is very big, so flying is common.
How about transportation inside cities?
Public transportation, Uber, or renting a car.
What about food at stadiums?
In the USA, you'll see hot dogs, burgers, fries, popcorn.
In Mexico, tacos and local food.
Yes, very tasty.
What will the weather be like?
June and July can be hot.
Especially in cities like Miami or Dallas.
Yes, northern cities like Seattle or Vancouver are cooler.
What should people wear?
Comfortable clothes, walking shoes, a hat, sunscreen.
And a team jersey.
Of course.
Let's practice some useful phrases.
At the stadium, where is my seat?
What's the score?
Go team!
Excuse me, how do I get to the stadium?
Which gate is this?
Let's do a short role play.
Okay.
Hi, who are you supporting today?
Hi, I'm supporting Mexico. How about you?
I'm supporting Brazil.
It's going to be a great match.
Yes, the atmosphere is amazing.
Look, the players are coming out.
Everyone is cheering.
Perfect.
Another role play. Buying food.
Hello, what can I get you?
1 hot dog and a soda, please.
That's $10.
Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy the game.
Easy and useful.
Very useful English.
Will there be fan zones?
Yes, big public areas with screens, music, and food.
Good for people without tickets.
Many fans enjoy the World Cup this way.
How can people watch at home?
On TV and streaming services.
In the USA, Fox and Telemundo.
Yes.
More soccer vocabulary?
Yellow card, red card, injury time, extra time, penalty shootout.
Yellow card is a warning.
Red card means the player must leave the game.
Penalty shootouts are very dramatic.
Yes, very exciting.
The World Cup brings people together.
Fans from different countries, languages, and cultures.
But everyone understands soccer.
Exactly.
Thank you, Neo. I learned so much today.
Me too. I'm very excited for 2026.
Everyone listening, this was our long coffee chat about the 2026 World Cup and soccer.
We hope you learned new words and enjoyed the conversation.
Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, what is your favorite national team?
And do you plan to watch or travel to the World Cup 2026?
We read many comments and reply.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.
New coffee chat every day.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Keep practicing your English.
Bye for now.
See you tomorrow.